Hello architects, and welcome back to another RPG Architect update video. My name is Bert, and today we're going to be going over the updates made to the engine in May of 2025. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you, this is a video that Locke shared in the showcase thread, but what it is that battle logs are now available in RPGA. So now you can log things, log battle messages, so-and-so attacked this guy, what's his face attacked, who's it, you know, that kind of thing. You can log what's happening in battle, you can have it display as text, and it is a nice little addition, something like you would see in classic RPGs. So that's been added. We'll be doing a tutorial on that here soon enough. I promise I'm going to be getting back into the battle stuff here very soon. We'll get there. Okay. Next up, switching over to my screen, we have, may already see it, but 3D meshes are now visible in Editor. That's right. We showed a couple weeks ago, I guess last month, Locke got in the visual mesh option using 3D meshes as maps, but now they are visible in Editor. So that is very cool. It's a huge win. It's very nice to be able to see how the map is going to be appearing. It is a top-down view, as you can see. But not only that, you can also see the 3D meshes of things like doodads and entities and whatnot, such as this water wheel. So that's really cool. You now can see previews of your meshes. Now, since he did that work with the 3D meshes, he also went in and added some settings to the editor settings. So go over here at edit settings, and then under map editor settings, we now have things like mesh layer resolution, object resolution. We have render mesh objects or layers, checkboxes, that sort of thing. So there's been additions made in the editor settings for you as a quality of life improvement. Okay. In addition to that, Locke also added arrays. Now, we have already released a tutorial on it. You may have seen it, the crazy 80s video that I did, but we now have array operations available in RPGA. Now, if you want to see this further explained, like I said, there's already a tutorial out about it, so go and check that out. And if the VHS filter was too much for you, I have put out a video without that filter on it as well for you to actually see. It was fun. It was just good fun. So anyway, now to go along with the array operations, Locke has also added a lot of data sources for under the save value command. So save value sources, you can go to something, now there's going to be a lot of them, but something like party, let's say, and you can look under here and you can see there's things like active member array, all members array, inactive member array, etc., etc. So you can go through and find, I think I'm not sure if they're listed on the update page on Steam, but you can go through and find more options now available for to accommodate for arrays on the save value data sources for you. Okay, and last but certainly not least, the wiki page is getting a makeover. We have a few community members who have taken up the task to start going through and updating this. I think we're going to be migrating it over to a different host, I guess you would say, something that'll be a bit more organized, but we do have people who are currently working on that, and we thank you guys so much for your efforts. It is very much needed. We are aware that the wiki needs some tender loving care, some TLC, but it's a big undertaking, and we are, you know, it's me doing the YouTube video stuff and Locke doing basically everything else. So we thank you guys so much for helping us in that regard, for jumping in there. So very excited to see how that comes together. Again, thank you everybody who's been involved in that, and everybody who's helped out over the years, whether it be answering questions in Discord, you know, sharing their insights, helping other people, you know, troubleshoot, sharing artwork, whatever it may be. Thank you guys all so much for being a part of this community. You really are awesome, yeah, I just wanted to say that. So I think that's going to do it for this month's update video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, if you enjoyed these updates, please sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Grab your copy of RPGA if you have not already. The engine has grown so much over the past couple years, and these are just a handful of improvements. So if you haven't seen anything, if this is your first video on RPGA, I highly recommend you go check out some of the other update videos, check out some of the tutorial videos, check out our Discord forward, see what other people are saying about the engine, see what you can do with this engine without having to learn how to code. It is really, really powerful stuff. We all have a good time with it, and we have a good time hanging out with each other. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for me for today. Thank you again so much for watching. You are amazing. I am Bert, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.